Nerve pain and vitamin B12, what to eat for maximum relief. Nerve pain, or neuropathy, often arises from vitamin deficiencies, especially vitamin B12. This crucial nutrient protects nerves by maintaining the myelin sheath, which insulates and stabilizes nerve signals. When B12 levels drop, nerves become damaged, leading to tingling, burning, or stabbing sensations. Looking for fast, natural relief from nerve discomfort? Discover the solution trusted by thousands. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Fortunately, certain foods can replenish B12 and ease discomfort naturally. Here are top food sources to help restore nerve function and reduce pain. 1. Beef liver, one of the richest natural sources of B12, just a small serving provides well over your daily requirement. It also contains iron and folate for overall nerve health. 2. Clams, these shellfish are packed with B12 and zinc, both essential for nerve repair and immune strength. 3. Sardines, high in B12 and omega-3s, sardines reduce inflammation and support nerve healing. 4. Salmon, a fatty fish that offers a potent mix of B12, DHA, and EPA, nutrients crucial for reducing nerve pain. 5. Eggs, especially the yolks, which hold most of the B12 and choline needed for nerve signaling. 6. Milk and dairy, yogurt, cheese, and milk are good daily sources of B12, promoting nerve sheath repair. 7. Fortified cereals, ideal for vegetarians. Choose brands enriched with methylcobalamin for better absorption. 8. Fortified nutritional yeast, a vegan-friendly, savory option rich in active B12, perfect for soups or salads. 9. Chicken and turkey, lean meats with moderate B12 levels, plus niacin to help nerve metabolism. 10. Fortified tempeh, this plant-based protein supports gut and nerve health when B12 is added. Incorporating B12-rich foods can help relieve nerve pain naturally. For persistent symptoms, medical evaluation and supplementation may be necessary. Prioritize variety and consistency for long-term nerve support. Struggling with nerve discomfort that just won't go away? Looking for fast, natural relief from nerve discomfort? Discover the solution trusted by thousands. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.